Why aim for a pollinator-friendly garden? It's simple. Pollinators play a crucial role in the reproduction of many plants, including those that produce fruits and vegetables. By attracting these creatures, you not only create a lively and beautiful garden but also contribute to the health of your local ecosystem. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Key elements for attraction. Creating a sanctuary for birds, bees, and butterflies requires understanding what they need: food, water, and shelter. For bees and butterflies, native flowering plants are the top attractants. These plants provide nectar and pollen, essential for their diets. When selecting plants, aim for a variety that blooms at different times of the year to ensure a continuous food supply. Birds, on the other hand, are attracted to gardens that offer a mix of fruit-bearing plants and seeds. Incorporating feeders and bird baths can also make your garden more inviting. Remember, a water source is vital for all these creatures, so adding a shallow fountain or a bird bath can significantly enhance your garden's allure. Plant selection. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a pollinator-friendly garden. Opt for native species, as they have evolved alongside local wildlife and are often more resilient to pests and diseases. Some popular choices include lavender, sunflowers, and echinacea for bees, milkweed for butterflies, and berry-producing shrubs for birds. Shelter and safety. Providing shelter is as important as food and water. Dense shrubs, tall grasses, and even insect hotels can offer safe havens for bees and butterflies, while nesting boxes and dense foliage can provide birds with places to nest and hide from predators. Avoiding pesticides is essential to protect these vulnerable creatures from harm. Attracting birds, bees, and butterflies to your garden is about creating a space that caters to their needs while adding beauty and vibrancy to your outdoor space. By selecting the right plants, providing water, and ensuring shelter, you can transform your garden into a bustling hub of activity that supports local wildlife and contributes to the health of the environment. Embrace the challenge, and soon, you'll enjoy the rewards of a garden teeming with life.